In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a rule in Gmail to filter your emails. This is a fantastic way to keep your inbox organized and free from clutter by automatically sorting your emails into designated folders based on your criteria. It's a simple yet powerful tool that can save you a lot of time each day. Let's dive right in. First, open your Gmail account, and in the top right corner of the screen, you'll see an icon that looks like a gear. This is your settings icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will give you a drop down menu, and what we want to do is select See All Settings. This link is typically located right at the top of that drop down menu. Once you've clicked it, your screen will be redirected to a new page encompassing all the settings options Gmail has to offer. As you navigate through these settings, look for the tab labelled Filters and Blocked Addresses. It's pretty easy to spot among the other tabs listed, but if you're having trouble finding it, remember it should be somewhere in the middle of the row. Once found, click on this tab. Here is where you can manage all your existing filters and, most importantly, create new ones. For our case today, we are interested in creating a filter. So click on the Create a New Filter button. This is where we get creative and set the rules for how we want our incoming emails to be sorted and managed. You'll see a box pop up with different fields like from, to, subjects, etc. These are the filter criteria you can use to select which emails you wish to deal with in a unique way. For this example, let's focus on the subject field. Let's say you often receive promotional emails and want them to be automatically directed to a specific folder or even deleted. In the subject field, type a keyword like promotion. Once you've entered your desired keyword, move down to click on Create Filter. This is where we define what action we want Gmail to take when the filter criteria are met. Now look for the option that says Delete It. By selecting this, any incoming email containing the word promotion in the subject will be deleted automatically, streamlining your email management. Of course, you could choose a different action, like sending them to a specific label or skipping the inbox altogether. Finally, click on Create Filter again to save your new rule. And that's it, you've successfully created a Gmail filter to help manage your emails more efficiently. Remember, you can always go back and edit or delete filters if your needs change. Incorporating these filters can tremendously ease your workflow and help keep your inbox a more productive space. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you maintain a neat and efficient email experience.